Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make rice with lima beans, known as Diri Pwa Tchous. I will be using 4 cups of jasmine white rice, 8 cups of liquid, which I'll separate to 6 cups of water, and 2 cups of chicken liquid from a chicken video that I reserved the liquid. Or you can just use 8 cups of water. 1 pound frozen lima beans, a 1/4 cup diced onion, a few diced green bell peppers, 1 tablespoon Epis, a 1/4 packet creamed coconut, 1 packet Sazon, thyme, 1 habanero pepper, and salt to taste. Nowadays, you always hear people finding different type of bugs and critters inside frozen food, so I always open the package just to double check. In a heated pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and allow the epis to fry. Add the diced onion, the diced green bell pepper, as well as 1 packet of Sazon. Add the thyme and the package of frozen lima beans. I allow this to cook for a few minutes before adding the 2 cups of chicken liquid, or in this case you could add the 8 cups of water. Add the cream of coconut and stir. Allow this to cook. Now I add the water and the 1 habanero pepper. In this bowl I have the 4 cups of rice, which I'll rinse under cold water. Now, if you get distracted like me, you'll just keep on washing, but rinsing this under cold water 3 times is enough. And here I am, I'm still rinsing. But once you're done rinsing, drain and set aside so you can add to the boiling water. Before adding the rice, make sure you taste the water and see if it needs any salt. If it does, add the salt. Add the rice that have been rinsed into the boiling water and mix. Allow the rice to cook on medium-high, uncovered, until the liquid reduces. Do one final stir, cover, lower the temperature to medium-low, and I allow this to cook for 35 minutes. Before serving, remove the habanero pepper and the thyme. Now there you have it, a nice pot of rice with lima bean known as Diri Pwa Tchous. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.